Namaskar everyone and welcome to the third episode of Real Estate Gyan by Arcade Builders. This is your host Shifali Udgata and we have on board today with us the marketing and sales head of Arcade Builders Private Limited, Ankita Mohanty. Hello. Ankita.
Hi.
Well Ankita, in the heart of the state wherein the economic growth in the market is huge, we get a lot of opportunities and scopes to invest in real estate market.
Yeah,
so
true.
what would you that one tip or more for the first time investors and the home buyers?
I would like to suggest with the rapid urbanization and infrastructural development in Bhubaneswar is considered as the most consistent way to get the highest return in the market. So everyone should look out for to invest their hard-earned money in residential and commercial as well as rental properties. Why I am mentioning this? Because there is a potential growth in these portfolios, like in the residential, which are mostly preferred by any investor, any first time buyer or any regular buyers or any regular person who is rapidly investing in residential properties, also into commercial as well as into rental properties. And in the third, these are the 2 points, and in the third we can mention that you have to ensure yourself that you properly know the rules, regulations and the schemes, policies what RERA is forming over the period of time, because that is going to safeguard your investment and can give you the highest return ever.
Well, those were some amazing points that was brought to us by the marketing head herself. So with this, I would like to mention that here at Arcade Builders Private Limited, we're not just constructing buildings, we are making sure that we craft an investment plan for you. So do connect with us to make sure that you get a prosperous investment scope with us.